Crystal grids are a powerful way to harness the universe's energy for your intentions, whether they relate to love, healing, or abundance. To create your unique grid, begin by clearly defining your intention. Specificity enhances the energy's effectiveness. Choose a significant location and gather an even number of positive energy crystals, selecting types that align with your goals, such as rose quartz for love or jade for health. The central stone, which should resonate with your intention, holds the grid's energy together. Arrange your crystals in a balanced pattern, like the symbolic seed of life, and activate the grid by channeling energy through a quartz point or your finger while focusing on your intention. Remember to cleanse your crystals and the surrounding space regularly, and be patient, as the effects may take weeks or months to manifest. Crystal grids are temporary, typically lasting 2 to 3 months, after which you should thank the crystals and cleanse them for their next use.